Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TSNP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the pullback on this one continues, and as of now, everything is okay, but you want to make sure that these pullbacks don't get too severe, because a pullback, eventually you got to start to question, is this some sort of reversal? So in my opinion, right now, it's still just a pullback, so I'm not saying this is a reversal or anything like that. But my point here is that, you think pullbacks are okay to an extent, because eventually a pullback could very well become a reversal. And that's where, in my opinion at least, this 14-cent mark is very important, because if the price comes down to $14, and by no means am I saying it will, but if the price were to come down to 14 and then just continue on going down, that break in and of itself could very well bring about and make it logical to start to discuss, maybe this is some sort of reversal. Now, to be fair, at that point, maybe it's still not a reversal. Maybe that's just a little bit deeper of a pullback. But my core point here is it would at least become a valid and rational topic of conversation. Begin to use that verbiage such as reversal. Whereas right now, if anybody's using the word reversal, I would fully disagree with that verbiage. I don't think it's quite time yet. I don't think it makes that much sense to be using words such as reversal. Pullback, yes, but not reversal. But that changes if the price does break down through that 14-cent mark. So keep an eye on that as definitely a very important level of support. Now, in the event the price decides it wants to try to get back upwards, the main battleground right now is all about these two moving averages right there. You can see basically are kissing each other there. The pink line there being the 200 period moving average, the purple line being the 50 period moving average, and both these are valued basically at the 18-cent mark. So 18 cents is going to be that main battleground if there is any sort of attempted movement back to the upside. But as of right now, in my opinion at least, top priority is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance or anything like that, but it's all about going through a healthy consolidation and ensuring that the price ultimately does chip away and build that higher base by staying above the 14-cent mark. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.